Hi guys, my name is Ratan. Yeah, we're discussing HTML classes, right? Yeah, so the last class we discussed about the important dates and formulas, right? Good. And we're discussing text formatting tags. You please check the previous videos if you need this complete text formatting tags. And this is the paragraph, and this is the headings and HR, and this is the pre-tag, text scrolling. This is a marquee tag, text direction. This is called video tag, bidirectional override. Important dates and formulas. This is like superscript. This is called subscript, right? Exactly. Guys, in this video, we'll discuss one important one, very important tag that is called, so if you open that one website, guys, earbuds website, you can see the boatlifestyle.com's website is there. Okay, this is a way it is showing the information. This is the boat lifestyle website. Check this price amount here. This is a price amount it is showing 799, and here 2999. I think 999 and 90. Yeah, 90 is there, right? This is the one amount is there, and this is 73% off is there, right? Because I want to take this amount actually. Even the Swiggy and Zomato also we got the some item amount, and this is called some delete strike off symbol, and this is 73% off, right? I want to make the data like this. Tell me guys, to take the data like this, I copied the data, and you can take this is H2 tag. This is what boat lifestyle. Tell me guys, boat lifestyle, boat lifestyle. Tell me guys, boat lifestyle earbuds. Okay, boat lifestyle website, right? Just you can close the H2 tag. Guys, here you can take some paragraph tag, and I'm going to close the paragraph. In the paragraph, what I am taking here, this is the amount. So this is the boatlifestyle.com. This is the sales price is the 799. Regular price is this one, and 73% is off is there, right? Exactly. Guys, see, first let me take this numbers just. This is the numbers, and this is the numbers, and this is 73% off. This is the data, right? Good. Guys, now let me come to the browser. Refresh the browser once if you refresh the browser, now see boat lifestyle is there. This is the amount you got, and you can give that the name of that earbuds also, boat air drops. Yeah, just you can write the boat boat air drops, right? Boat air drops price, like this you can write the message, and come to the browser, refresh. Now see guys, this is the data you got. Guys, are it clear, right? This is the data we got. Okay, this is the data. But tell me, in this data 799 is okay. Before the 799 we got some symbol, right? What is the symbol means? Like, rupee symbol, guys. Generally, to take the symbols in the HTML, we require the entities. We require the concept, like, entities concept. I will tell you the next video what are the entities in details. entitycode.com website, all the information I'll discuss in the next classes. But as of now, let me take one entity. The entity starts with, like, and hash. So the rupee symbol number is 8377. This rupee symbol number, guys, 83 what 77, right? Like that I can take the data. Guys, now come to the browser, just you can refresh. Now see, I think you got the rupee symbol. This is the rupee symbol, guys. 8377 is the number, right? Exactly. And the same rupee symbol I can place in front of what? This 2990 rupees also. Okay, good. Just you can refresh this one. I think here also we got the rupee symbol, right? Guys, are you clear now? Good. Guys, after that here, now see the website once. I think which is there in the 2990 rupees. I think strike symbol, right? I hope you know how to make that strike symbol. Tell me. You make the strike symbol using one tag, like, delete tag, guys. Just you can make the DL tag. What the tag name, guys? Delete tag, right? Just you can refresh. Oh, I think you got the complete delete. Why? We know that. Okay, closing should not be proper. Yeah, close properly. Once if we close properly, now see it is deleted like this. But tell me guys, here in the boat lifestyle website, this is there in one style. The name should be there in one style. The amount, the original amount should be there in the one style. Percentage is there in the one style. Yes or no? Offer price is there in one style. All are there in the same styles, different styles. Different styles, right? That's what, guys, in the paragraph we have the complete big paragraph is there. in the paragraph to take the individual element. Guys, very important, to take the individual element. This is the paragraph. Assume like we have the big paragraph is there. In the big paragraph, in the big paragraph or small paragraph, definitely big paragraph. In the big paragraph you have to take the individual element. To take the individual element, you can take the span tag, guys. Span tag is representing the individual element. I taken the span tag here, and I can take this one is also in what tag, guys, here 7999. Also you can take one span tag, and delete tag also you can take in one span tag, because every element I taken as one span tag. Guys, but application point of view, the paragraph contains the big data. In the data, individual element if you want to take the span tag. Take the span tag opening and what, and the span tag is what, closing, right? Exactly. Because if you take this paragraph, see, now come to the browser, any effect is there? There is no effect. Data coming as a paragraph only, but data is this is one paragraph. In this paragraph, tell me guys, in this paragraph, this is one span, this is one span, this is one span, this is one span. You taken the individual span tags, right? You taken what? Individual span tags. Then what is the advantage, like, for this span, if I want to apply the style is what? Just let me apply the color colon. Tell me guys, color colon what? Color colon, you can apply the orange. Color colon what? Orange. I applied specific styles to this, what you can say, specific title. Now you can open the browser, refresh. Now see, again I think we are not using the proper closing. Yeah, this is should be closed properly, and this is also should close properly. Fine, maybe you are saying that are not closed. Good. So that is the data, guys. See, now it is coming like span tag. I hope you understood the span, right? You can apply the individual styles to the specific data, and for this one you can take one style. Yeah, just you can take the color colon word 799. The 1799 I can take the green color. Now see the output. So this is individual. See, you don't think like only for the color purpose. Think like this is the individual element. In that individual element, in that tag, you can apply any you want. You got the point, huh? What the purpose of span tag is? Span tag is used to take the individual elements. Span tag is to take what? Individual elements, right? Exactly. Guys, next one is what? Style equal to. For this one, let me apply the color colon red. Color colon red, just you can refresh. Say delete should be coming as red color, and 73% off. Just one you can take as this is the blue format, and just 73% off. Let me take the green color format. Style equal to, tell me guys, color colon green, right? Exactly. Off it, just you can take the capital OFF. Good. Guys, refresh this browser. We got data. Yeah. I hope you understood the span tag, right? That's what the purpose of span tag, tell me. The span tag is used to take the tell me, span tag is used to take what? Individual elements. The specific element you can apply the specific style. Yeah, specific element you can apply what? Specific style, right? Because are you clear? Huh? So this is one paragraph you can take one span tag. Like that you can take how many, what you can say, earbuds you want, just you can place all the cost. Just you can see the output here. 8 drops price is what? Like this. I hope you understood the span tag, right? Tell me what the purpose of span tag, guys. The span tag is used to take the what the purpose of span tag? Span tag is used to take the individual data, so that you can apply the styles to that span. Guys, are you clear now? The span tag is used to take the individual data, right? Because if you want, you can write the comments in the HTML, guys. To write the comments, you can write like this: exclamatory hyphen close. Tell me, guys, what the purpose of the comments? Comments are used to write the description about the code. Point 1. Point 2 is what? Comments are non-executable code. Point 3 is what? If you want to disable the specific code. To disable the specific code, you are going for the comments, right? You written the 100 lines of code. Guys, you written what? 100 lines of code. But your manager said that, execute only first 50 lines. Remaining 50 lines, what you will do? You will remove. You will remove, or you will make it as a comment. You will make it as a comment. Guys, comment what purpose of span tag, tell me. Span tag used to take the, tell me guys, individual text, so that you can apply the styles to individual text. Yes, you got the point, right? This is a, so this is what I guess, comments. Comment syntax is what? Exclamatory hyphen hyphen. Span tag is used to take the individual text, so that easily you can apply the styles to individual text. Okay, this is what my entity. Entity means like symbol, right? The entity starts with what? And hash. I will tell this entity in the next class also. Guys, are you clear now? I think you got the clarity about these points, right? Yeah, guys, we done with the text formatting tags. We completed text formatting tags. Tell me, guys, in the text formatting tags, what are the tags we discussed? Tell me, any idea, just for the understanding purpose. H1 tags we discussed, H1 2 we discussed up to what, H6, right? H1 to H6. After that, we discussed a paragraph tag. Tell me, close the paragraph tag. No, sorry, paragraph tag is there. Fine. Next one is what tag? Pre tag is there. Like that, you tell me, guys. Bold tag we discussed, italic tag we discussed. Tell me. So I'll write all the names otherwise. H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, H6 tags. So tell me, guys, this one is H1, H2 and H3 and H4 and H5 and H6. Range will be H6 only. Good. Tell me, guys, next one is what? Paragraph, pre tag, bold tag, italic tag. Tell me. Small tag, strong tag. Every line I'm writing the 6 tags, guys, so that easily you can count how many tags we discussed. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Paragraph, pre, bold, italic, small, strong. Tell me, guys, next one is what? Mark tag and delete tag and quotation tag and underline tag and abbreviation tag and abbreviation tag. Tell me, guys, next one is what? Yeah, I think these are the tags, huh? Yeah, next one is the pre tag, or pre tag already taken. Fine. Tell me here, please respond. Mark, delete, q, abbreviation tag. So next one we discussed about the superscript tag. Sub tag is there, and we discussed superscript tag. We discussed span tag. Any other tags? These are text formatting tags, right? These all we are discussing text formatting tags. Text, tell me, guys, formatting tags. Superscript, span tag is there. Any other tags we discussed? This is the code, right? Check in this code. HR tag and break tag. Yeah, fine. We can write the HR tag and break tag going for the next line. HR tag, break tag, delete tag, strong tag. I think you written the strong, huh? Yeah, strong is written. Fine. Break, small, strong, mark, close. HR tag, pre tag. I think mark you tag. Mark you tag is not written. Yeah, just next one is a mark you tag. Yeah, mark you tag. And next one is what? BDO tag, I think is written, huh? Yeah, BDO tag is not written. I think BDO tag, bidirectional override, right? Yeah, 24 tags I think we done, guys. Any other tags are missing, you comment it. So H1 tag, H2 tag, H6, 6 tags, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. Yes, how many tags we done? Total 24 tags. And yeah, that's it, right? Anything missing? Superscript, subscript, BDO tag, bold tag, marquee tag. Yeah, these are the tags, guys. Enough. 24 tags we written for the text formatting tags. Is that clear, right? Yeah, that's all for this one text formatting tags, guys. We done with text formatting tags. Almost all 4-5 videos. You try to check these all the points. Do the example. I think that your example should be like this. You comment it, you done the work or not. Thank you, guys. Bye.